This 5-minute solution will show you how to repost on TikTok from iPhone. Reposting on TikTok from iPhone is very easy process. Just follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, we have to update our TikTok app. To do that, go to your app store, search for TikTok, and if you see any update available, then update the app. Go ahead and launch your TikTok app. Then go to your profile, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy, and here you will find the repost option. So enable the repost option and then close the TikTok app and relaunch it. Now search for the video that you want to repost. Then tap on this share icon, and here you will get the repost option. So tap on that, tap on OK, and here you can see the post has been successfully reposted. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.